Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
On your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, open the App Store app. At the bottom of the screen, tap Today. At the top of the screen, tap the Sign In button or your photo. Tap Redeem Gift Card or Code. If you don't see Redeem Gift Card or Code, sign in with your Apple ID.
Let's help you make your mark.
What can you buy with App Store and iTunes gift cards? Launch the App Store. Tap Today at the bottom of your screen. Select your user icon at the top of the screen, or sign in if needed. Tap Redeem Gift Card or Code to redeem by using your camera or entering your code manually.
Let's help you make your mark.
Click the Apple Store Gift Card tab in the Payment section of checkout. Enter your Apple Store gift card PIN. Your PIN is located on the back of your card under the scratch-off surface. Click Apply, and continue checkout.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.